Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the expired profile public key error in Minecraft. This either usually happens when your account authentication data becomes outdated or is not syncing correctly with Minecraft server. First, just go ahead and completely close Minecraft and reopen it, because a simple restart can refresh temporary authentication issue. Next, open Minecraft Launcher and sign out of your Microsoft account. To do that, just go to the top left corner and click on your profile and go to Log Out. After that, sign back in using the same Microsoft account to refresh your account authentication and generate a new login data. Also, make sure your Minecraft launcher is updated to the latest version. To check that, just go ahead and go to any browser to your liking and search for Minecraft Launcher and go to the official website. And here, just go ahead and download the latest version of Minecraft Launcher. Since outdated launcher files can sometimes cause authentication errors, then restart your computer. Just press the Windows key on your keyboard and click on the power icon, and just go ahead and choose to restart your PC completely. This ensures all account services reload properly. And after restarting, just go ahead and open your Minecraft launcher once again to ensure all of your account services reload properly. And also, if you're joining a multiplayer server, make sure the server is updated and compatible with your Minecraft version, because outdated server can also trigger this error. Finally, try joining the server again and check whether the issue has been resolved. The simple rule is expired login data causes the public key error, and signing out and signing back into your Microsoft account usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft expired profile public key error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.